Hello everybody and welcome to CNATT channel. In this video, we'll show you how to reset network settings in Windows 10 using CMD. Resetting network settings can be helpful when you're having trouble connecting to the internet or if you're experiencing slow internet speeds. Note that these commands affect all of your networking adapters, both physical and virtual, both used and unused. Complete the step in order, even if you have done some of this previously, and even if you encounter errors. Open the Start menu. Type CMD and run it as administrator. In another video linked above, we showed you how to open command prompts in several ways. Decline restarting your machine until you have entered the final command. At the command prompt, type ipconfig /release and press enter. Type ipconfig /flushdns and press enter. Type ipconfig /renew and press enter. This will stall for a moment. Type netsh int ip reset and press enter. Don't restart yet. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Close command prompt and restart the computer at the end of all the commands. All network settings or adapters will be reset. Thanks for watching the video. You can see more tutorials on our channel.